So retail shop sells 3 brands of tea, namely brand A, brand B, brand C. So brand A, brand B and brand C, and each in two varieties, namely regular and premium. The proportion of customer buying brand A, B, C are say 40%, 35%, 25% respectively. Out of those customer who buy brand A, 30% buy the premium variety. Out of those who buy brand B, 40% buy the premium variety. While out of those who buy brand C, 60% buy the premium variety. Given that a randomly selected customer has bought the premium variety, the probability that she has bought brand B equal to this. So here we will surely intuitively you can think that we will use here as the Bayes theorem. So Bayes theorem says that given that a randomly selected customer has bought the premium variety, so this is the probability of, say, if I take the event premium as the when the customer buys the premium variety of tea, the probability that she has brand B. So this is something we have to find. But it is the customer has brought the premium variety. What is the probability that he brought from the B? So this is something that we should come up with as we read the question. So now pictorial if I want to say if I have this omega, so I just divide whole omega in 3 sets, a partition of this sample space where we have brand A, B and C. So respective information is given that brand A is say 40%. So this is 35% customers are available and 25% customers are available here. And brand B is given to be 40% premium customers. So red color is the customer who brought the premium variety of the tea. So A brand is 30% premium customers and 60% of C variety. So this is the information we are given. So simply we will just write it as, so we know that let me write it little bit more clearly, that we want probability of B when the customer has brought the tea which is premium. So this will be by Bayes theorem, that simply will be premium given B, then this is probability of B, and here we will write when the customer the total probability of the premium. So simply I am just writing, so this red color is just the extra information. So this is probability of B intersection premium. So I hope you understand what I mean by B intersection premium. It means simply the customer who is buying brand B and taking the premium variety of tea. So here is just the probability of the premium. I just wanted to show that why or how the Bayes theorem actually works. So this is just the total probability. I am in the denominator, I am going to write the total probability of the customers who buy the premium. Okay, so this is premium given A, so this is probability of A, this probability of say premium given B, probability of B, and this plus probability of premium given C, then the probability of C. So this is the formula. Now if you have understand till here, now only the algebra is remaining. If I put the values, so if a customer bought from B, so what is the probability of premium? That is given to be this red color, 40%. The probability of B is 35%. It means 35 by 100 is the probability. And this probability will be 40 by 100. Similarly, for this A brand, we have this information. So this is 40 by 100 multi 30 by 100. So similarly we just have to put the values. So let's do it. Say 40 upon 100, 35 upon 100. So this is for the brand A. So for brand B, and for brand C, this is simply, so this is something. So I'm just doing some algebra, so this I can cancel out. So this will become 2 5. So this 5 7 ja 35. So this will becomes 14 by 100, or moreover I can cut out it, say 2 by this 50. So this remains 7 by 50. So clearly, so this is also be 7 by 15 because this is the same as the numerator. So let me put it, say 0 cancel out 0, this 0 cancel out 0, and so this is, it remains 2, so it remains 5. So this is 2, this is 3, so 6 by 50. This is something like this. Okay, so this is 25 for ja 100, and for 15 is 60, and then we have, say 3 by 20. So the remaining, or the overall things will remain in this. So what we have, clearly this 0 0 0 cancelled out. I'm just using simple rules of algebra, so don't be very confused in these things. So this I have 6 by 50, 5, 7 by 5, this is 3 by 2, so this becomes 7. So let me write it on the 7 by 5. So the LCM will be 10. So this will be 12, 14, and this will be 15. So this becomes 7 by 5. So 10 upon me. This is 41, and this is 2. So this is 14 by 41. So this is the final answer. 14 by 41. So 14 by 41 is the final answer.